What's your guys' doing first round?
Yep.
I probably can't do it myself. So, first round, the newest monkey pie toy. And that person,
Mysterious lady.
Yeah. I don't know. It was a cat. I trained my cat to talk. So, we're putting together the Marvel Armadillo build figure. We have all the pieces. We're gonna put the bad boy together. I have a problem with legs because he's big ass freaking stumps. So we're gonna rub to it.
Alright, first thing.
So his right leg. Yeah, look at that thing. The back did come off if you want to just if you shoulder pad.
Oh, gotcha.
So it did come off. It's just a peg that keeps it on if you want to take it off. But as it comes off, I just put it on before we did this video. So we're putting this together. I don't understand why the arms and legs aren't double jointed. Just because it's built bigger figure, they don't give us double joints. I never understood why they do that. So here we go. Legs are on. He needs to cut his toenails. Jesus Christ. I think my girlfriend could give him is it main face? Is that what they call it? Main face? Yeah. She might paint him pink. I just know we're going. Go. Here we go. Okay. So there's it. Put this arm in. I love how arms just like
Clicked
click.
on.
They just pop right in. And so good. And it's a satisfying pop too. Alright, so satisfying. So here we go. Get this bad boy. Boom. So it's the Armadillo. That's his name. But it'd be even cooler if he could roll up into a ball.
That would be cool.
Like the Armadillo that you see on the side of the road in Texas. Dead. That people making like rain cakes. What?
And in Kansas.
Yeah. People making the rain cakes and drink the water. I don't know, I'm making stuff up.
A new hat.
What?
A new
Oh,
hat.
yeah. This is my new hat. I call it Frank. So, this is it. This is the Armadillo build figure done. I'm going to give this a 7 straight out.
I agree.
Honestly, and I don't want to bullshit you guys. I don't know who the fuck this is. I've never seen him in comic. I heard about it when they announced it. So here we go, build figure. I'll put this one in the shop. If you guys want to come by and check it out, the address is below with the website. So what do you guys think? Do you have this figure? Have you put it together? But most importantly, like, comment, subscribe. That's right. Till next time, happy hunting.